Hello everybody, my name is Albert Corey from Corey & Associates Accounting Services. Since 1985, we've assisted our clients, small business, if you have rental property, small businesses, any kind of business, rental property, online business, MLM businesses, realtors, computers, consultant, lawyers, doctors, you name the profession, and we have assisted you. This is our address. This is Corey & Associates. If you please like and share this information. We're trying to help you out because my mission in life is to make sure that you pay less to the IRS. That's our goal, and that's our mission today, to make sure that you pay less, that you pay your share. So please like and share. Oh God, I did something stupid. To share this page. So today we're going to talk about rental income. Okay. If you have a rental income is if you have an apartment, if you have a building, you have a condo. The newest thing right now is you have Uber, Lyft. Any of these people that you can rent your apartment online. Airbnb, there's a bunch of them. If you have Airbnb, they're going to send you a 1099-K for any income that you collect. So make sure that you report this income or you're going to get an IRS letter. Okay. And later I'll explain how that works. But for right now, let me go over the Schedule E and how to use it. If you have any questions, you can always go to bigirsrefund.com and we can help you. So this is how we do it. You obviously put your name and social security number on the return. You then put on the first one, you would end up putting the address of the property. Okay. On the second, on 1B, I always put A because that means that you own the property and you're professional. Just out of the way here. On line 2, you have to put the fair market value. If you have a condo or if you rent it, you put $365. Here's, guys, where it gets tricky, where if you have a house on the beach and you rent it only for 20 days, a year, then technically you can't deduct it. There's IRS rules saying that you must rent that unit for over 120 days. That's just a rule out there that if you get caught, that's what they're going to ask you for. So make sure if you're renting that condo, it's one thing that you use your condo for 2 weeks or 3 weeks at the beach, and you put it back into the rental pool, that's legal, that's okay. But if you're only renting it for like 2 months, like say if you have an apartment on Miami Beach, and it's too cold, I live in Miami, trust me. If I had an apartment on Miami Beach or Fort Lauderdale Beach, I would rent it for January, February, and March because I'm not going to use it, it's too cold. So you got to be careful with that, but that's just the rules. So anyways, after that, you put the personal days that you use. This is because, that you can only get a percentage. Now, I'm going to go over something else, or maybe I should go over it now. What this is kind of for is if you have a duplex, and I have a lot of clients who have duplexes. Okay, what's going to start to happen is you're going to take your bills and you're going to have to you can only deduct the percentage of your rental. And I'm going to go with down that in a few minutes, what that means too. So on line number 3, you put the amount of rent you collected, let's say $1,200. That's $12,000 a year, $1,000 a month. Now advertising is, any ads in a newspaper, Facebook ads, if you paid for whatever it cost. Now, here's a cool deduction that if you do it yourself, I've been giving this to my clients since day one. This is using your car. What that means is if you have a rental property and you have to go to Home Depot, Lowe's, running around getting parts, going to the realtor, running around collecting rent, you put that in line 6. Line 7, if it's a condo or an apartment, this is where you put the homeowners association every month. Commission, if you pay the realtor to rent that apartment or house, it goes there. If you pay for insurance, if you have legal and professional fees, on this line you put the management fees. Okay, you have a mortgage, it goes there. Line 13 is credit card interest. Line 14 is if you have repairs. Line 16 is supplies. Maybe you have to buy some other stuff. Also on cleaning and maintenance, it's what you do to paint it. Now repairs is almost anything you do to fix the apartment. You paint, clean, plumber, tile guy, fix cabinets, almost anything. Utilities. Okay, I guess give me a minute here and I'll go over some of this. Another thing. Depreciation. Depreciation means this is like the wear and tear of the unit. Let me go over a couple of other things real quick. So if you have a duplex, okay, you then take the percentage of what you live in to the other side. So what that means is if you pay property tax of $10,000 for the unit, or for both sides, and you live on 60%, which means 60% would go on your personal return, and you could deduct $4,000 on the taxes. It's the same thing on utilities. So if you're renting the back of your house, okay, it's the amount, the percentage that you use in the front to the percentage you use on the back. And depreciation would be the same thing. What is the percentage? And that's it. Now that would go on schedule. That would then transfer back over to the 1040. If you have any questions, you can go and we have a free consultation at Big. Let me see if I get this. Go see if I get this Big. If you go to bigirisrefund.com, I should have had this set up earlier. But if you go to Big, okay, we'll give you a free consultation. You just go and click the box. But guess what? You don't have to take my word on how good we are. All you got to do is go to Google and click Corey & Associates. And you'll see that we got 23 reviews as of the time of this broadcast. And on Yelp, we got 20 reviews. And you can click the bottom to contact us, or click here for the time-saving consultation. We'll give you a free 20-minute consultation. You just click one of the boxes here, and we'll get back to you. We are Corey & Associates. Since 1985, we assisted our clients. We have a real office located at 1800 West 68th Street, Suite 118, Hialeah, Florida, 33014. Our email is albert@1040w2.com. One more thing I forgot to tell you about is we also have fax and email service. Okay, which means is if you don't live in our area, then if you don't live in our area, like, and you can't come to our office, you can always fax and email us. Okay, we have secure services. We have secure services so that all your information is kept confidential and secure, so no identity theft. We will get back to you. We will do the return if you're sitting next to you. Last year we did over 400 clients in 47 states. So if you can't come to the office, you got somebody on, who's got your back. TurboTax and some of these other places aren't going to be there to protect you. And if you have questions, we're here year-round at our office to call us. So thank you. And any questions, just go to our pages, either 1040w2.com, and you'll see the contact page. Bye-bye.